Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the Google Sheet you want to stop sharing. Make sure you are owner or have editor rights, otherwise you can't change sharing. Next, click Share to reveal the full list of people and link settings. That shows who currently has viewer, commenter, or editor access. Once the list is visible, prioritize individual entries you must remove and note any link sharing settings that allow access to anyone with the link. Now, remove access. Click each person's name and choose Remove to revoke their permission. You can also downgrade roles if needed. For link access, open link settings and set anyone with the link to off. If you must keep link sharing, restrict to viewer only. If access is granted via Google Groups, remove the group instead of individual members. This revokes many users at once. Make sure to save or confirm changes so permissions update. Finish by verifying. Revisit the share dialog to confirm only intended people keep access and ensure the owner entry is correct. Once done, test with an incognito browser or a different Google account to confirm the sheet is no longer accessible. If someone still can view it, make sure there are no nested shares via other folders or drive-level permissions. Also confirm you save changes. Troubleshooting tip. If updates don't apply, sign out and back in. Then
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.